The Tiger King Part 4. The Maharaja's anxiety reached a fever pitch when there remained just one tiger to reach his tally of 100. Now Maharaja's anxiety, worry reached fever pitch. Fever pitch means high level of excitement. He became very excited when just one tiger was left to bring his total to 100. He had this one thought during the day and same dream at night. रात दिन उनको एक ही सपना था कि वो 100 नंबर वाला शेर भी मर जाए. By this time, the tiger farms had run dry, even in his father-in-law's kingdom. And by this time, actually, all the tiger farms had become tigerless. उसके father-in-law का kingdom में भी कोई tiger नहीं बचा. It became impossible to locate tigers anywhere. Yet only one more was needed. If he could kill just one single beast, the Maharaja would have no fears left. He could give up tiger hunting altogether. And it was impossible at the time to find any one tiger. And naturally, agar he killed the 101th also, then for all he would give up hunting. But he had to be extremely careful with that last tiger. और ये भी ज़रूर है कि he has to be very careful. What had the late chief astrologer said? He remembers the words of the chief astrologer. Even after killing 99 tigers, the Maharaja should beware of the 100. चाहे 99 मार दिए हो, but Maharaja has to be beware. He has to be very careful of the 100 tiger. True enough, the tiger was a savage beast after all. One had to be wary of it. Wary means one has to be very careful. Savage beast होती है, wild beast है. But where was that 100 tiger to be found? It seemed easier to find tiger's milk than a live tiger. But अभी 100 tiger आएगा कहाँ से? Tiger का milk मिलना आसान हो रहा है, but not a live tiger. Thus the Maharaja was sunk in gloom. Now he was sunk in gloom means he became very disheartened. He became sorrowful. But soon came the happy news which dispelled that gloom. पर एकदम से फिर एक अच्छी सी खबर आई जिसने कि उसके ग्लूम को, उसके सैडनेस को डिसअपियर कर दिया, डिस्पेल कर दिया. In his own state, sheep began to disappear frequently from a hillside village. One good news came कि कोई भी एक sheep जो है वो हर रोज़ गायब हो जाती है hills पे से. It was first ascertained that this was not the work of Khadar Mian Sahib or Veeraswamy Nayakar, both famed for their ability to swallow sheep whole. पहले ये असरटेन किया गया, पहले ये पूरा कंफर्म किया गया वेदर दिस इज़ नॉट द वर्क ऑफ खादर मियाँ या वीरास्वामी नायकर, क्योंकि वो लोग जो है पूरी की पूरी शीप एक दिन में खा लिया करते थे. श्योरली अ टाइगर वॉज एट वर्क एंड इट वॉज रीच टू द कंसेंसस कि ये किसका काम है? टाइगर का ही काम है. द विलेजर्स ran to inform the Maharaja, and then villagers they ran to inform Maharaja. Maharaja announced 3-year exemption from all taxes for that village and set out on a hunt at once. और महाराजा ने he became so happy that he exempted, he gave freedom to the people of that village from all the taxes for 3 years. कि 3 साल तक ये गांव अब टैक्स भी नहीं देगा. He was so happy and he went to hunt that tiger. The tiger was not easily found. It seemed as if it had wantonly hid itself in order to float the Maharaja's will. और ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे it had wantonly means deliberately, जानबूझकर टाइगर भी छुप गया है कि मुझे जो है महाराजा के जो विल है, महाराजा की जो चाहत है उसको डिफाई करना है, उसको फ्लोट करना है, उसको डिसोबे करना है. The Maharaja was equally determined. He refused to leave the forest until the tiger was found. And of course Maharaja was very determined. He had willpower. वो तो forest छोड़ने को तैयार नहीं कि जब तक tiger मिलेगा. As the days passed, Maharaja's fury and obstinacy mounted alarmingly. और जैसे जैसे दिन गुजर रहे थे महाराजा के fury, he became very angry, and his obstinacy means उनका हटीलापन, उनका stubbornness mounted means increase. वो इतने ही हटीले होते चले गए और इतना ही उनका गुस्सा बढ़ता चला गया. Many officers lost their jobs, और उनके इस गुस्से की वजह से many officers they lost their job. One day when his rage was at its height, Maharaja called the Diwan and ordered him to double the land tax forthwith. और एक दिन जब उन्हें बहुत रेज में थे, वो बहुत गुस्से में थे, was very angry, महाराजा ने दीवान को बुलाया and he ordered कि आज से जो है लैंड टैक्स बढ़ा दिया जाए. The people will become discontented. Then our state too will fall a prey to Indian National Congress. And of course दीवान साहब ने उनको समझाया कि सर अगर हमने उनका टैक्स बढ़ा दिया, people will become discontented, they will be dissatisfied, they will be unhappy. और तब हमारा भी जो स्टेट है वो इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस के अंडर में आ जाएगा. लोग फिर आप में विश्वास खो देंगे. दे विल नॉट बी लॉयल टू यू. इन दैट केस यू मे रिजाइन फ्रॉम योर पोस्ट, सेड द किंग. और किंग ने उनको एकदम कहा, देन यू शुड रिजाइन. The Diwan went home convinced that if the Maharaja did not find the tiger soon, the results could be catastrophic. और दीवान वेंट होम कन्विंस्ड. कन्विंस्ड मीन्स कम्प्लीटली सर्टेन कि अगर राजा को 100 टाइगर नहीं मिला तो रिजल्ट्स कैटास्ट्रोफिक हो सकते हैं. कैटास्ट्रोफिक मीन्स द रिजल्ट विल बी फुल ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज. He felt life returning to him only when he saw the tiger which had been brought from the People's Park in Madras and kept hidden in his house. And he felt life returning to him. And then he felt कि चलो ज़िंदा तो रह सकता हूँ. जब उन्होंने देखा कि एक टाइगर जो है कि that has been brought from Madras at the time from People's Park and that was hidden in his house. At midnight, when the town slept in peace, the Diwan and his aged wife dragged the tiger to the car and shoved it into the seat. और जब midnight था and the whole town was sleeping, Diwan and his aged wife, his elderly wife, they shoved means they pushed the tiger under the seat of the car. The Diwan himself drove the car straight to the forest where the Maharaja was hunting. और दीवान खुद कार चलाकर फॉरेस्ट में ले गए जहाँ पे महाराजा हंट कर रहे थे. When they reached the forest, the tiger launched its satyagraha and refused to get out of the car. And when they reached the tiger, now tiger, so funny, tiger launched its satyagraha. टाइगर ने भी सत्याग्रह किया, प्रोटेस्ट किया, ऑपोजिशन किया कि मैं भी कार से नहीं निकलूँगा. द दीवान वॉज थॉरली exhausted in efforts to haul the beast out of the car and push it down to the ground. And Diwan, poor thing, thoroughly exhausted. He was thoroughly tired. वो पूरी तरह थक गए in his effort to haul. Haul means to pull the beast out of the car. उसको कार से खींचते and then he push it to the ground. On the following day, the same tiger wandered into the Maharaja's presence and stood as if in humble supplication. और अगले दिन वो सेम बेचारा बूढ़ा टाइगर, इट वॉज ओल्ड टाइगर ऑफ कोर्स, इट वॉन्डर्ड, वो घूम रहा था टाइगर के प्रेजेंस में, वो टाइगर के सामने ही घूम रहा था एज इफ इन हम्बल सप्लिकेशन. हम्बल सप्लिकेशन मीन्स एक्ट ऑफ आस्किंग कि प्लीज़ मुझे मार दीजिए. मास्टर व्हाट डू यू कमांड ऑफ मी, जैसे शेर ही कह रहा है सर मेरे लिए क्या हुक्म है. It was with boundless joy that the Maharaja took careful aim at the beast, and Maharaja had a boundless joy, unlimited happiness उन्हें मिली और उन्होंने उसके ऊपर एम लगाया गन से. The tiger fell in a crumpled heap, और टाइगर एकदम से crumpled means fell into small fold, और नीचे धाड़ से वो गिर जाता हीप में एक ढेर की तरीके से.